What's up everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this. Okay, so this is a magic trick I recently showed in my shorts, and now I'm going to be showing you how I did it. It is actually rather easy. It's really only a couple moves. These moves you could do it anywhere on the cube. It's really easy and it looks decently mixed. In order to not to lose the position in which you mixed it, because you have to hold it in the right position, you can tell by this. It looks like this. The corner has to be at the top. These have to be where your thumbs go. You can also do it on the green side because it's going to be one on each side. You're going to just reverse the algorithm, but this is how you're going to do it fast. You're going to go up, and then with this finger, you're going to flick it this way. With this finger, you're going to flick that one. So you move. Now you do it at the same time. And make sure you get it right. Practice that. And then go practice the first 3 moves. And that looks pretty cool. Now, for the last step, you go, and then you just bring it down. And then you have to practice going, so you're going up, move down. Okay, now that you can do the instant way, you have to shift it a little. You have to like shift it right before you do it, so it adds a little bit more of an effect. Like that. Okay, now there's another way you can do this move that I think is really cool. And you move your hand over and it's magically solved. For this way, when you move your hand over, your hand is hitting the corner. You move your hand over and you already have it like this. And then when you move it down, you have it like this, and then you move it down. This piece right here, you have to move once you get it up like this. So it looks like this. And from the front, you can barely tell. Make sure to practice that. Try to get it on the palm of your hand so you can cover the Rubik's Cube more. You can do it like 1 or 2 times. Sometimes it'll get stuck. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching this video. If you didn't see the short of me solving this, then I'd recommend watching it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.